Good morning. It's July 27th, 2026. It's a Monday morning. It's a beautiful morning. I saw two drones this morning. Let's see. Pause. One is right here, and one is right here. There's a truck and a trailer here they land on. They're spraying the corn with something. I don't know what. It doesn't smell, so that's weird. So you see one drone here, one drone here. These drones are huge. So for reference, these drones are about 4 foot by 4 foot, not counting the blades. Might be wondering how I figured that. I'll show you that here in a second. Right about, let's say there, right there. Okay. So now there's a beam here, beam here, beam here, beam here. So I figured he's gonna be either 2 foot or 16 inches on center. So I'm gonna say they're 16 inches on center. Because they say that, or maybe they're 6 foot wide. I don't know, but they're huge. Uh, this truck or trailer is from Clearview or Clear Meadow View Farms in Whitehall, Maryland. I think that's what it said. Clear Meadow. Let's see if I can find this. Yeah, Clear Meadow Farms, Whitehall, Maryland. So, thanks for watching. Uh, please subscribe, like, share. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll see if I can come up with it. Thanks. Have a good day.